a distinctly stunning vocal style, igniting musical imagination and spirit. Her mastery includes vocal techniques and complicated style, authentic rendition of kritis, and superior elaboration of ragas. I can go on and on as to why Srimati Sudha became such a preeminent artist. She has performed worldwide at a variety of concerts and festivals. Yet, one distinct of her will speak volumes of her glory. She is the only Carnatic musician, second to Bharat Ratna, Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi, to have sung at the United Nations. Please, once again, give her a big round of applause. We are truly blessed to receive our musical treat this evening. On the violin, today we have Sri Vittal Rangan. Sri Vittal, an acclaimed violinist, is well known for his flair for extrinsic ideas, while simultaneously maintaining the traditional aesthetics. Starting at the tender age of 8, he had his initial violin lessons from late Sri R.R. Keshava Murthy and later from Sangeeta Kalanidhi Kumari A. Kanyakumari. An A-graded violinist of the All India Radio, Sri Vittal is a recipient of numerous awards, namely the prestigious Shanmugananda Sangeeta Shiromani Award, Best Concert Award from the Music Academy for 3 consecutive years. That is remarkable. Sri Vittal has performed and collaborated with great stalwarts and senior musicians across 4 generations all over the world, and is a fine solo violin artist as well. An interesting coincidence is Sangeeta Kalani Kumari A. Kanyakumari used to accompany MLV Amma in most kacheris. Today the parampara continues. We are all so fortunate to see this parampara continue. Sri Vittal accompanying Srimati Sudha Raghunath. Big welcome to Sri Vittal Rangan. On the Vrindagam today we have Sri Akshay Ananta Padmanabhan. Sri Akshay is a sort of Vrindagam artist and has accompanied many stalwarts in the Carnatic field across the globe. A senior disciple of the legendary Guru Sri T.H. Subhash Chandran, Sri Akshay has recently been awarded the Sangeet Natak Academy Yuva Puraskar from the Government of India, Delhi. Remarkable. He is an A-grade artist of the All India Radio. Aside from being sought-after Carnatic percussionist, Sri Akshay also straddles Carnatic percussion across notable cross-genre collaborations, especially with bands such as the Thai Sadham Project and Carnatic 2.0. Sri Akshay also has co-authored 16 plus academic publications on topics of machine learning and South Indian percussion, collaboration with IIT Madras and New York University. A big applause to Sri Akshay. On the ghatam, today we have Sri Soumya Narayanan. Sri Soumya is a disciple of Mridangam Maestro Sri Tiruchi Harikumar. Earlier he took training from Sangeeta Acharya Sri Subhash Chandran sir. Sri Soumya has accompanied many leading past and present artists. He is also currently on the board of trustees of Shankar Netralaya USA, a premier eye hospital based in Chennai. He has conducted over 750 online concerts and 55 plus concerts all over USA. He has supported and raised over $4.5 million in donations and supported nearly 39,000 free cataract eye surgeries for poor and indigent patients. A big round of applause to Sri Soumya Narayanan. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, let me not waste a time. Let's give a big round of thunderous applause to all the incredible artists and welcome them who are present here today. Thank you all. Let's sit back and enjoy the Divine Sangeetam, and I request everyone to keep their mobiles on silent mode.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Suswagatam. Good evening to all of you present here. Carolina Murugan கோவில் அவர்களின் அழைப்பின் பேரில் நாங்கள் இங்கு வந்திருக்கிறோம். ஆதலால் today's concert will be designed to suit the fundraising event. Of course, we don't want to compromise on any of the characteristic, valued, precious traits of Carnatic music. So we will present the Ragam, Neraval, Swaram and a few kritis in other languages, but I hope all of you will agree with me when I say that if today's concert is more Murugan-centric and more Tamil, it's relevant to the invitation of the Carolina Murugan Kovil. I would say it's a different concert because of the fact that we will sing more devotional and more Tamil. We will also have a short break in between for the presentation and pitching of the temple, which I feel is required for the occasion. But before we delve into the music, on behalf of Vittal, Akshay, Sami and myself, we really appreciate the fact that all of you are here, despite the fact that this is a long weekend and you could have chosen to be elsewhere, but that shows your passion, love and commitment to this great art form for which we are humbled, and we thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. So, since I said we don't want to compromise on the structure of a Carnatic music kacheri, we will begin with a Varnam which was a favorite of both my guru and my grand guru, G.N.B. sir and M.L.V. Ma in Abogi, a composition of Pattanam Subramanya Iyer in Adithala. Before we go to the musical segment, I want to specially thank the youngsters who are here because they are going to carry this music in great form on their shoulders as the torchbearers and future citizens of both India and here. All of you must have heard about Cleveland and how Sri V.V. Sundaram and his team, now of course the younger group, Gopi, Karthik and Shankar and Radhika. It's such a huge project. Now we are on the 45th year of the Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana, and it's such a pleasure to be there just to see the children come there. Thousands of children participating in the Pancharatna Kriti singing and being audience to witness concerts of different artists through the week. So let's give a huge round of applause to the youngsters here. We can't hear anything of the voice nor the violin, we just hear the percussion. So I don't think we can continue like this because it's a big hall. Yeah, but when they give the volume, there's a whistle. You hear that? Feedback. So there's some probably wiring that needs to be redone.
while having with the violin. Go ahead.
Sir, it's not the violin, sir. Just please give us 2 minutes, okay? Can you please cut off? Yeah, please cut off both Mridangam and Ghatam monitor completely off. And Sudhaji's volume has to go up in 11. You can also bring it to 9. No, he can take it completely. Yeah. Or give Sudhaji's voice only in 9. Date of percussions from both 10 and 11, make it 0.